Yo, what's up? Welcome back. You already know what time it is. If I'm in the Jeep, then you already know we probably got a package. And I'm probably getting off from work. Both of those are valid statements. But anyways, it's Tuesday. We just got back from a 4-day. You see, I got the knockabout chilling. It's always chilling over there, you know. But anyways, we got a package. I got a shoulder brace on. Sorry. Anyways, we got a package. It's from Raw Nutrition. And I'm excited about it because it's got some contents in it that I really wanted. And it was in stock, finally. And so I'm gonna share that with y'all. We're gonna go over what's in the package. Yeah. We gonna just, do what we do, right? Honestly, man, I'm just trying to be consistent. I be getting all these packages, and so I figured, why not just share them with y'all? Because, for one, I'm a Raw ambassador. Drop the code HOLLIS10, HOLLIS 10, if you want to save some moolah at Raw Nutrition. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is, guys. We gonna go ahead, get into the video inside. I'll see y'all there. Alright, guys, so we're inside, changed, you know what I'm saying, represent, you see it. Anyways, got the package. Of course, you already know I already opened it. However, I haven't taken anything out. So, further ado, here we go. So I hope y'all having a good day, man. My day's been pretty good, pretty solid work day. I ain't complaining, so. Alright, so I believe I placed this order the last week in September. And I actually had to reroute it because it was gonna come to my house while I wasn't there. I don't trust my neighbors like that. So I had it sent to a UPS facility, picked it up on Monday of this week, and finally, we got somewhat of winter-ish merchandise from Raw. Alright, so first things first, we have some Raw EEAs. Man, I really hope you guys can see that, because there's like this glare popping off right now, because I am like right in front of the window. But yeah, we got some Raw EEAs. This is a strawberry lemonade flavor. This is actually my first time getting the EEAs, and strawberry lemonade just happens to be like one of my all-time favorite combinations as far as like drinks go. So hopefully this tastes as great as it sounds, you know what I'm saying? So next is Raw Pump. And this is also, man, this thing is struggling right now. I think it's just because of the glare on the window. But anyways, this is Raw Pump, non-stim pre-workout. This is also strawberry lemonade. I don't know, we just doubling down on the strawberry lemonade right now. Oh, 1 second, I'm gonna see if I can fix this glare. Alright, so I kind of just closed the blinds a little bit. You can still kind of get some of the, well, I'm still getting some of the light coming out of the window, which is fine. But hopefully you guys can see this a little bit better. It's trying to focus on me. But anyways, this random Raw shit just everywhere. These are straps. Let me tell you, This did not come in the order. I've never used like this version of straps before, so they haven't gotten used because I've yet to figure out like what's the proper way to wear them. But when I do, you will see them in future videos to come. Anyways, moving back to the package that we have, right? So we have a large, I believe this was one of the tees that was in the latest drop. And then the most exciting thing I think that's in that package, or you know, all together, is the Raw hoodie. And I'm gonna save that for last. Let's open the shirt. So I started getting larges in the shirts because two things I found out. To me, a medium on me kind of fits like a small. And then second thing is when you wash it, I accidentally dried one of the shirts and it definitely shrunk. So, my mistake. But for those of you who were probably thinking it, don't do it. All right, the shirt will shrink. So I now moving forward, I hang them up after I get them out of the washer. And yeah, let's see what we got. I believe the front of it, what's the front say? Oh, it says Raw from the ground up. And then on the back side, basically says the same thing with the print going down the middle and then across. Man, that's another gray shirt. Like I honestly think I have, let me see. I think I have 3 gray Raw shirts now. So we gotta start getting some other colors because gray is starting to look like it's our thing now. Sorry. Again, that is a size large. Now I probably won't try these on in the video, but I do plan to either one or two options. I'm gonna take some pictures, maybe post them up on my Instagram, or I'm gonna try them on and put a little snippet somewhere in the end, or I might just toss the video, or excuse me, I might just toss the photos towards the end. One of the two options is gonna happen. But if you do have any comments, questions about the sizing, how it fit, yeah, just let me know. Anyways, this is going to be, is this black or blue? Oh, it's black, okay. This is a black hoodie. Again, I went with the large. Alright, cool. And this, I mean, it's a simple hoodie. Like, it's light. It's not really heavy. I mean, this is printed on a, what is this? Gildan. I wouldn't consider Gildan brand the best brand, but to like do your screen printing on. But it's got your Raw script across the front. Okay, you already know. And then in the back, you got this big ass R representing. Damn, you can't even see that shit. Hold on. Representing Raw, which I think is pretty dope, because I also got like this pretty ass like blue color t-shirt. I think so. I also got like this blue t-shirt with like, I think it's either like gold or yellowish print in writing. Like the writing is that color. And it also has like this huge R on the back. Actually, that's probably like one of my favorite shirts, honestly. And when they dropped the hoodie, I was just like, oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna get one. So, hoodie, I don't know, man. I think I would give this just looking at it, I'd probably give it like a, I would rate this hoodie 7. I would give it a 7. That's just my honest opinion about it. The shirts, like the shirts don't even matter anymore because I know now for my own personal reference to just go with a large. Don't even worry yourself with the medium or the small. In my case, go with the large. But yeah, I would give this hoodie probably like a 7, just looking at it, you know, based off the texture and whatnot. Curious to see how long this screen print's gonna last, so somewhere along the way I'll probably give like an update on this, just because we all know screen printing, it lasts for however long it wants to last. And but yeah, that's really it, guys. Hoodie, shirt, some EAs, and some non-stem pre-workout. Oh, by the way, you want to save a couple of extra dollars, guys. Drop the code HOLLIS10 at checkout. You won't regret it. Yeah, that's really all I got. Like, I figured, like I said, I'm gonna try to keep this going with the packages that I get, whether it's, you know, weightlifting related, or if it's just clothes in general, shoes in general, whatever the heck it is. If it's coming and I think it's worthy of a review, I'm gonna give it to y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Oh, see, it wasn't supposed to do that, but you know. We out this bitch.